call to friend and I make blood clot lie. I not have to tell no lie and I do it. I mean, I remember nothing and you remind me, I will correct it. Oh, my mother. If me say anything, my mother attack my feet. And my mother make you get away with how much murder. No matter what me you have. What do you want me to say to mommy? Say, mommy, I got drive all night, search the car. She said, and you idiot. Do it now make you fine. Put on the car, make you see the car. And no worry, baby, because man I kill woman and pit and I do all sorts. And it was so comforting when my mom said that. And I said, no matter what, this lady, I have to love my mother, you know. No matter what trouble what me get her. Then him sit down with the molly pa girl in my ear that, oh, my day you feel my boss. None of blood clot, none of dead fame. When I go dead fame now. And conniving. When the mother called me, you know. Remember when me there hospital and put up the say me have cyst, you know. And me and him arguing at hospital, you know. And he texted me, you know. I said, no man, all in my blood clot there, the man would even kiss me upon 6 times thumb in my face. But me I say, yeah, me now go back on Instagram. Internet with my thing, you know. So my mother called me. Because I've spoken to her for maybe 2 weeks. Because him normally said something about a call her. So when she called me, I said, oh, that you know, say, I do it to my face, so you know, as a mother-in-law and as a woman, she always support me and something. And whatever. Because him still there, they come look for me at the hospital, so remember me not tell nobody, say it's alright. You saw me come out of the hospital and do out this for 4 hours. I call you and say, do you don't even come spend 15 minutes with me? Me in here, blah, blah. Crazy! You expect me for ugly after you cuss me in the hospital. After you took me in my face. So what you expect me to go blood clot though? Anyway, that is that. Now, when him get the little joking up on him shoulder, send the blood clot police to me. I prefer to lock up my blood clot more than to haunt me. I'm sit down and can't talk my truth. Your mother call me now, no? This after done. It after done right now. I say, Odette, I'm glad, because I'm so peaceful. I say, Odette, I'm glad you when I'm married to me can't tell me say it after done now, because do is not man enough to say that. Because I hold your son hand out at Ken's before I'm get the stab. And me and him pray. And I said, do it this after end. Tell me what you want. He said, crazy, I say, you know what, I'm back in. I said, it's not about what I said. It's about, now the card is in your hand. You don't want to go to a church, because it's what church people are wicked people, everybody are wicked people, fair enough. You don't want counseling. Crazy, me not give a fucking anything or anything. No, you're not man in a relationship and I explore. You're them there everywhere. All of them hate you and can't stand you and despise you. Where is the appreciation? Not even up. I look tired, me not tired of blood clots. Oh, I'm a care. So, if you think you're going to stay at Jamaica, may I make sure I scream out loud that every organization can hear. The license plate number is 3823 KE. 3823 K is under royal fit with the blue rims them. Do you rude? You do my bad many times and that's why I react. Remember, you have some class you. How girl I got there stand for the lead 5 minutes from blood clot? Me alright if you walk? If you drive at 10 minutes, if you walk at 15 minutes. And you gonna tell me, say, girl tell you say you're there Jamaica waste time with your wife. And you waste man cause you know there baby shower. And I one little baby picture you see. You don't know what the girl name. You don't know the no name. You don't know nothing about the blood clot girl. And that made me get thumping on my blood clot face, you know. So I say you know tell the girl to go suck her mother. Crazy! Me not stay like you know. And I same time defend the girl and I say, so me tell you something pussy. You see when you're married, and you fuck married man, side chick will them blood clot kind of sometimes all when you're dead. You don't know how much girl breed for your ink and all know you can't get none. You do DNA. As that man, the man argue over, you know. That, but before that, the 10 year, well, I know the girl for. I will go a big pussy blood clot girl, you know yourself. Your pussy big like Queenie one. Him go I do you want disgrace now. You like when I disgrace because it make your cocky get longer. I want to know how much cocky you have. And all I get them we are turning an idiot. Chromas, fatter stickers. This is one with tongue. You have to be progressive and make me shame. You run behind blood clot man and you have no abiding city. Me you build future and life and you run left blood clot me I want to run car. And me if you sit down as an old blood clot fool. The girl 10 years now, so we're going to go meet the girl. Me never even know if I'm going to meet girl. So me hear the girl that says she know Dowey and Ray and know she love me and this and that. Not pure no mind. When the end of the night, the girl say oh she rich, she have a much in mansion. And she do it for 10 years and the first she meet him and she pay much in round robin and she had this and she had that and the whole night I mean I will go out Ray. You know, the middle of move on a dirty blood clot and 8 men I condemn there. 8 for blood clot, 8. You hear that? You didn't know what I give for Instagram when you reach out to me and say double tap queen. I your man this and I say I have no blood clot man. I know you from nowhere. I want to you. So anyway, so 4 we know, so we are chat now, all of vibes, drink, smoke, party, railway, blah blah. The man put on him bag with the 200 US tonight. You don't know, so the girl lick the list. Lick the 2 bills US. When the man said the blood clot, you said, me want to beat, you know. Crazy, you going on my back? I said, no, husband, I want him. That's why it's sweet, me not hear me your dirty blood clot. You think girl pick no easy? Yeah, you have blood clot money for girl cut out of your pocket. Every blood clot girl love money away from me. And me are the only blood clot money fool you can get. You hear that? Remember, mark my blood clot word. Dear me, any blood clot girl. For them give 3 there. 3 piece 31. Them sew your blood clot makeup. I want to you. Anyway, so me say, myself, me laugh and I know say another girl over come with me. I know say I must this new girl. Because you know you can't swear for people, but you know. You want blood clot hybrid car and I put up you there Canada for aunt me. You can't aunt blood clot me more than my aunt you. But do it done. Them say you have to stop give bun. Cut the crap. Me my heart. The dolly them want suck my cock. Is it that disrespectful? And I come talk about her music. So when me say you small, when I put my pussy in your face, and the music, move your blood clot. A long time girl for a different girl for get them pussy suck. I'm glad how you diss my blood clot again for me. This back your dirty blood clot. I no want to do it. Me change my mind from marriage. Me get 2.5 years without it. And 6 years and 3 years with you. 2.5 years out of marriage. The 8th of September God makes 3 years me and you fuck. That was 6th anniversary. You know, so me not even mention blood clot it. You know, some come know you want to come for internet, come challenge me. And I tell nobody about me, I send no man for you, do my bad no blood clot, me not need to bring no blood clot man for you. And me run the blood clot world. Anywhere I go, I stand blood clot than the queen rain. I want to you want some blood clot for like a bomb clot.
Just so we add my family telephone add Dowey.
I do.
We ask to come on the live, but if you add me and me, I call you and answer me.
Me now I do it for my life. Let do go get him friend them go for life. Let do it moving blood clot.
I the man talk to him, man. Me know you add me for me. I come out for this. Me in the comment section. Go and add.
Me now I do it for my life. You're too blood clot. At who for life? So who you want to talk to for life? 14 days in a talk. Who you want to talk to for life? Come tell you how purple my pussy tongue is doing. How my pussy tongue black and blue. You know blood clot come for my life if you're dependent it's cute now wine me up. Come for what? Go over your friend them life. Go look at bucketive. Be a girl who I interview you for hear your class, my dirty blood clot. Go over there. That's how you style that. How I'm to do it? I have enough for blood clot you. If I could have divorced you right now, I divorce you right now. Fucking rude. I not come talk about my over do it and I do it. I do it for what? I do it for that too. Do it tie me. I do it over blood clot me. On the see the sarcastic at it. Move on a dirty blood clot and then see me string tiltron and terrible and awful. I do it. Love coming a blood clot eat. A long time him eat me. A long time my daughter say, mommy, your husband eat you. I'm a heart beat when she says so. All when me tell him 100 blood clot time before I try to show me say him not eat me. I yourself you eat. Go! You know my time I cuss him for call him own son. Me don't know me there kill up my blood clot type over here. Go and give me my car. I mean, I want no blood clot man feel like them can come in on my blood clot phone and my day. On a guana man, how much on over here? Go on, go make friend with blood. You can't keep friend. Remember me tell you that. You can't use to do it the way you share me to blood clot when me say with chin brother. But me don't say to Yvette and I say Yvette. Do your part with somebody who him know want me know, which him always do. I bet you a chin. And nothing wrong. Are your friend them? But don't go around them and violate me and then have my vehicle now when I walk some blood clot. How much in throw me, you go, you're vexed. When you look me in a party, I perform, you're a screw. You know, something brother, you do be, don't mind blood clot. You just say you're not going to change them. Me not stress out blood clot. Go out with your blood clot, girl, man, don't leave me the fuck alone. Fuck that. I'm glad all my brother, did, you know. Trust me. You know what somebody said to me, I'm a ball and sorry for myself. I said, if my two brother them did there, you could not abuse me, so then a ball abuse I play a victim. Me can't manage blood clot, you do it. I crab it a aggish. Me can't manage you. You look like strong. You remember when you hold me down in the bed of blood clot there? I want to you. You have to remember what you do. Me give one little blood clot cocoa with one glass. They run go make girl put one big sun for your fire and I claim blood clot victim. And look how much years after. Move your dirty blood clot. Bring my car, come give me. So I look up pies of face. I want to go Queenie. I love everything about me. Yeah, man, man, divorce now. Fuck that. I come and frighten with your blood clot name and you don't respect your name. You don't respect your man. Remember me hearing on the phone and I'm put the phone in my car. Remember me a detective and I'm all cool, you know. All when him hide from him, I say, what you know? But through my love chat and I tell him the things I think I tell him everything. Oh, I didn't do it now. I didn't tell you everything. I don't put the phone in my car, hear my tell him friend in America say, Dowey, I now fight for them original, that's how last year them time. Yeah. I broke my arm, broke her spine, and Mexican breed. I said, bomba clot. I know something you do me. So you might not cuss and I call it dirty blood clot drunker. That's the name I call it drunker. You're a drunker for true, man. You like it. Blood clot. You want to see me run up and down this Sunday? I may say, who does that? Ooh. With a little crowd them in their face. Come say, do wash off your face. But 3 more people start feeling. I got to a woman and I pull up the Jeep after I'm getting stabbed and we calm down now. So I pull up at one shop and I say, miss, I don't have no money for me. You can't give me one drink, please. And she said, Queenie, I'm say, yes. What water? I'm going to give him the water. But you have the plan to take care of them because I have the 2 kids them him. Remember me not plan my husband, I just not pay him the mind because from don't run away from January. I'm not January, the 23rd of June. I know I'm coming here for peace, to be at peace in myself. And I know this relationship I have to either float or sink. When it blood clot sink now. You hear that boy I come sing disrespectful song. You know much people bring up them days at daytime I make them know you. You take over the whole of my friend them. I don't have none of your blood clot friend them number. You have everybody in the scheme. I said, do it. Why you coming up yourself? So be popular, not common. Like him I show to me say I have more friend than me. You're not competition with me, do it. Why you come put about who get richer than rich? You lazy in a blood clot. I want you to do it. I work like a blood clot cow. More cuss for the whole blood clot there and get up go perform later. See when you sleep whole blood clot there. I ask you to take something for me. I pass something to blood clot and give me attitude. That I do it. When you people them care. You know you can do now. I think I'm satisfied. You know look out for my car, man. I not read nothing when no blood clot say, you know. Cause me show them my pussy coming have a no blood clot draws. Oh, no blood clot me. Yeah man, me glad him him not want me back. And me first no want you. And you never blood clot no, you know. But crazy, me know you're gonna do me back someone. Mr. Dewey, I am not gonna do you anything. I don't hold grudge like that, you know that. Remember I take a scissors and tab him and say, you know. I him have him scissors in him hand and he hold me down, so you know. So my face turn so you know. See my head yeah. So my head down there so you know, I'm laughing up. And him a hold me so you know, cause I say me drop me up and do me so you know. Ginal. Fucking Ginal. Ginal. I hear me, you know, I said, do it, Miss Sarah. I said, I come tell people, but I'm not tell it, sorry. I said, do it, please. Do it, remember you said that, I'm going to leave me again. Come, I love balling on. I said, do it. Don't do nothing. And the man still have me in a car for around 3 minutes. I said, I said, now, done. I said, okay. I just put on my center mass blood clot. Bang! I said, I cry about him, dirty blood clot. And when him hold me now, it lock me now. I'm going to see that right time, left time. I just do something. Move your dirty blood clot and come lock up my nasty blood clot. But don't come into the me attack. Cause when me the come him in the head with the cup and me never come by internet, come talk him, run go to ball, shut up about my come and never so me never know you want me talk to my boss your head. Turn him on, make him cocky grow. Blood clot papi show you get big woman, top woman, great woman, proper woman, real woman, nice woman. I have some little young girl I take blood clot piss with the old girl I take piss with the medium girl. Do we fuck every blood clot girl even do a pussy power, pussy power. You for go man, if you have limit. You're the queen husband. I have some little cranky blood clot my get me them see I'm mad over you. You know you got a little dirty foot girl, my little skettle girl, my little bam. But do we love every blood clot? You can't get no blood clot better girl than me. Mark my words. You hear that? Bring me people. What are your friend them depend this are watching now? Follow blood clot back a man. Move on the blood clot the queen rain. One big great pussy blood clot woman. Go hear him tell him dog no talk to her and through this you know. What me not gonna this man them. If the man them not pass them place, I want to you. Me have morals, I want to you. You think me I eat that why you think me survive so long? I want to you. Understand your blood clot self and your friend them for understand themselves and come out a pussy and cocky argument. On the fuck blood clot man. I want to on the go. On I do like on want to be a contract bust because of me and blood clot doing no damn blood clot dry me out. On the kick back out who me say do the man them have them girl for fuck. Them have them baby mother, them have them wife. We have blood clot, recruit blood clot people for your wife? Cause you afraid of me? Bring my car coming out. You're afraid I'm a blood clot car. You know, car don't know. I love people business and not going on, man. God bless.